welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with Freya. I feel like at this point it's not my channel, it's our channel.
It is our channel. We have a joint channel now.
Literally. But today we are doing the 7-second challenge. We also filmed a video over on Freya's channel, which I'm going to leave in the description.
Thanks, Gil.
I mean, there are just no words for what we're about to do on your channel.
It's something that you guys have requested.
Oh, so much.
So it will be interesting to say the least, I think.
So make sure you subscribe. Let's just jump into the video. We're going to do the 7-second challenge invented by Dan and Phil. I'm not claiming this is my idea. We're going to use the app that they made.
I'm nervous.
Yeah, Freya wasn't really too sure what we were doing.
I've never heard of it. And now I feel like a really bad YouTuber.
A little bit. I mean, it is like an older trend. Like 3 years ago. But yeah, let's just start. We might have to like change the setup and move around. Not really sure.
Let's just go with it.
Yeah.
Okay, so quick play.
Yeah.
Pretend to be Sherlock Holmes and explain why the nearest object is a clue.
Oh my god, so the killer must have drowned the Sherlock Holmes.
You know what, if I got that, I would have just froze like, what am I
Like, what am I? As I was saying it, I was like, wait, Sherlock Holmes is a detective before I start saying that, and everyone's like,
literally.
he's an Olympian.
No, but I wouldn't know either.
We're going to do first to 5. Unless we're really good, then first to 10. Or 7. We're just going to go with it.
We just get, yeah,
You know
go
what I
with
mean?
the flow.
Okay. Name 5 animals you wouldn't find in a zoo.
Alligator, eagle, polar bear.
Alligator, eagle, polar bear!
Would you find a polar bear in a zoo? Nah, you don't, right?
I don't think so. I mean, it'd be a pretty fancy zoo. Wait,
Damn
I
it.
want you to watch this back.
That could have been
bear.
fair.
Oh. We've got the music now. Oh no, it was better before.
This is intense.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Invent a tribal dance designed to make it rain frogs. Oh my god. That was epic. Nailed it. 100%.
I don't think I've ever seen this. Describe how your morning was with the voice of a duck.
Mold it. Quacking great.
You nailed that. Nailed it.
Did I?
It was a quacking great that got me. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's 1-0.
Bloody warm in here.
Literally, I'm like, I'm gonna take this off, but man's arms are like, oof. They ain't got a highlight on my shoulders.
This is so easy. Kiss your shoulders. Hey.
That was actually a little bit, that was well hard.
I mean, you nailed it.
Like, I know. Yeah, some things we're good at. Sing a song about bread.
I love bread. Bread is so good for your soul.
God, I'm actually a little bit shook.
Shut the fuck up. You're chatting shit, I've got all red. What?
You nailed that.
I love bread. Bread is so good for your soul.
The soul was so nice.
The rest was a bit quaky, but
Oh,
that's alright.
shit.
I nailed it though.
I'm gonna sample that and make it into a song.
Oh no. Explain a new theory of how the dinosaurs went extinct.
So one day a dinosaur found a giant vat of poison and he was like, oh my god, this tastes so good. And he was like, no! I was getting into it. Now you're gonna never know what happened to the dinosaur.
I mean, are we gonna say you found it?
I failed it. Meow the tune of Bar Bar Black Sheep.
Meow 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 meow.
One for your master, one for your... Oh yeah, that is Bar Bar Black Sheep.
Right?
Yeah, I was literally like, I know this song. Do you know what? You didn't get all the way through it.
Yeah, because you distracted me with your face of.
I was trying to figure out if it was a song or not. I think you found it.
No! What? That's not fair.
It's still 2-1, don't worry.
Pretend you are selling a ghost on the shopping channel.
So guys, we have this lovely ghost here today. It is only $14.99. Please ring into QVC if you like a real ghost.
No, I'd say you nailed it though.
I feel like I do.
How you like? I feel like I nailed that.
I used to watch a lot of QVC, you know. Describe a fashionable outfit from the year 5000.
I was wearing this like overall like leopard print thing, and I had like my bat and that and my sandals on. I looked really
I feel like you're in the year 5000. I mean, sure.
Wait, what's the year 5000?
In the future.
Oh, I was going back.
I nailed it! No! She didn't nail it!
I did, because no one knows what the future holds. And we all know that history, especially fashion, repeats itself.
That's true.
So one day that will come back.
Why in the past are they holding back?
I was talking about like the proper olden times, like
People who were
the cavemen.
Oh! You said leopard print, I was thinking like a cat suit.
No, leopard print dress like the Flintstones.
That's not a leopard print dress, that's a leopard skin.
Oh.
Picturing them with like, a baseball bat.
No, because basically the way that the world's going, we're all going to be vegan soon. So it's not going to be leopard skin, it's going to be leopard print on the non-skin of the leopard.
Yeah.
Say 3 things you wouldn't say to your mother.
You look awful. I am not a good daughter, and you don't deserve dad.
Oh!
But I wouldn't say that.
That last one was happy. You nailed
She
that.
does deserve dad, that's fine.
Yeah, of course.
I was literally like, I need to be careful. And you look awful. Why did I say it like that? Say 5 words that mean bad.
Atrocious, awful, awful. Disgusting.
Awful. She got to 4 and I was like, is she done? Disgusting. What?
What words are there?
Dire. Horrid.
Diabolical.
Nice.
Damn it. The pressure, I can't,
Yeah,
I
it is
honestly
the
can't
pressure.
do it. Okay, you ready?
Boom. I don't know I'm ready.
This is funny.
No!
Spell the word unicorn with each letter louder than the last.
UNICORN.
Yes!
Queen of spelling. Man's dyslexic.
That was jokes. You know that.
I was
okay,
literally
now
like,
you're
I was
definitely
gonna be like you, and then I was like, oh my god, if I say it that loud, can you imagine? I'm like, convince the aliens to not destroy Earth.
Basically, mate, there's a lot of good shit on this planet, and you'd love it if you just came and visited. So just calm down.
Calm down, you know. Do you know what you know?
Yeah.
I like the way you're like, do you know what, mate? We got some good stuff going on here. We got some good stuff going on here. Oh my god. It's just, and in the end of that,
Make up a reason for the extinction of unicorns.
they're extinct.
Yeah.
Oh my god. They all died.
Oh
What will they get for real? That's what I was confused about. I suppose this is a game.
What?
As in, like, the last one was like, make up an excuse to the extinction of dinosaurs. Dinosaurs are extinct. Unicorns aren't extinct, they never existed.
No, but make up a reason why they would be.
Yeah, it threw me off. I was really excited for a second that they weren't extinct.
I'm afraid you found that.
Quite heavily. Name the ingredients that would make the worst meal of all time.
Mushrooms, poo, with wee and a bit of eyebrow.
Mushrooms! People... I love how the second thing was poo. First thing was mushrooms.
I don't like mushrooms. At all. I hate them.
Eyebrow?
Yeah,
Who's
it's
going for
got
that?
some hair in there.
Yeah, but why specifically eyebrow?
Because I looked at your eyebrow.
You don't want...
No, I don't want it in my food. Invent a cheerleader routine and chant about someone else who is with you.
Oh my god, okay.
Go.
Freya is the best, we love her.
Yes, I love
That is the end of the cheer routine.
I love it. That is perfect.
I mean, I was a
Mainly
cheerleader.
because you said I'm the best. So
I
you
knew
nailed
you were
that.
the judge. I was gonna be like, we don't like. Do 5 squats and make an eagle noise with each one.
It turns out I can't count.
Yeah, she was like, she's on 4 again. Okay guys, that is the end of the 7-second challenge. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Become a member of this little family we're going to be. So lovely if you join. Also, don't forget to follow Freya on all her socials, which I will leave below, and also her channel. I'm uploading first, so make sure you're subscribed to her and hit her bell so you know when we upload. If you are also following us on Twitter, you'll see when we upload. But I think that's pretty much it. We're going to go and react to
Some naughty stuff.
some stuff now, which you'll see on her channel next week. Okay. Oh man, this is gonna be. I'm not looking forward to it. Alright, bye guys.
Bye.
Get all your bags, get out my house. I don't want your stuff around. I never did you wrong, but you did me wrong. So go ahead, get gone.